The wooden boat. In a picturesque lakeside cottage, there lived a girl named Lily and her grandparents, Grandpa Oliver and Grandma Emma. Lily cherished her summers with them, especially the times they spent by the tranquil lake. One summer, Grandpa Oliver decided to build a wooden boat from scratch and invited Lily to help. Excited but impatient, Lily attempted to rush through the process without carefully following her grandpa's instructions. As a result, the boat didn't turn out as expected, and they faced several setbacks. Frustrated, Lily considered giving up. However, Grandpa Oliver encouraged her to try again, emphasizing the importance of patience and attention to detail. Lily listened to her grandpa's advice and began the project anew, this time carefully following his instructions. With time, effort, and Grandpa Oliver's guidance, they successfully built a beautiful wooden boat. Lily realized that obeying her grandpa's advice, especially about patience and craftsmanship, led to a sense of accomplishment and a deeper appreciation for their shared activities. Moral of the story: Lily's story teaches us that obeying and learning from our grandparents can instill valuable life skills and create meaningful connections between generations.